It is Mr. Pillow here, and so we're in Fallout Shelter, like a sort of game where you build your own shelter and stuff. I'm creating the vault. Let's make it be one. No. We're gonna make the best vault ever, guys. Like, just saying, okay? Let's see. Oh, this is terrible. Why won't you spin? 1, 2. Wait a minute. 3. Create vault. See, that's best vault. Congratulations, vault have selected you as Onseer of Vault 1, 2, 3. The vault keeps people safe from dangers of the wasteland. As Overseer, your job is to explain and maintain the vault while keeping your dwellers safe and happy. Each room has a special attribute it uses against dwellers with the best special to make that. No! Vault Tech will give you daily rating based on your performance. Remember to keep your dwellers happy and do the great job. A-, great job. Look at us right here, guys, starting right in with it. So yeah, that's really awesome. Basically, yeah, let's just let's get right in. Get right into this. Let's get right in. Alright, let's see if we can get this to work. I'll tell you guys when it's done. Alright, so we're back in. It stopped loading and stuff, so here we are. Helpful hint, welcome to your new vault, Overseer. Let's introduce you to the basic concepts, okay? Click hammer, click U, build you. I built you here. Now we need dwellers to make the power generator produce power. Here's dwellers. Click on dweller. Okay. Drag dweller to room you want to assign. Drag dweller to this room. But she'd do better with this. She was in this room. Whatever. Pulled her in there anyway. Alright, so we zoom out. Looks like there's only two choices. Zoom in to the point where you can see every little speck here, or zoom out where everything is microscopic. You know, I prefer microscopic. Alright, so it's like telling me to tap on it. There you go. Okay. It says rush. There's an incident with a 33% of an incident. I don't really... What? Oh, there you go. It lagged and then I did it or something, I guess. So, diner. Build my diner. I put diner there. There we go. Build water treatment. Build water treatment there. Helpful hand, more local dwellers. They come. Please sign in to Windows Store with Marina Bobcat. Let me please ask. Who in the world is Marina Bobcat? No. No, this is not working. This is not. Marina Bobcat, really? Can't even take me by my own name, Google. Come on, you're better than these. Yeah, you're definitely better than these, Google. Don't be mean like that, okay? Just, that was so mean. Go and name somebody the name that they're not. So that's mean. Okay. Go into here. Collect these 25 things. Don't care right now. So she's running, doing her work in there. This girl and this girl just wandering around. You know what? If you're not gonna do anything, go sit in that room. What is she doing? She goes in the elevator and went down here. Lady, I assigned you to up here. What is going on? She is freaking out over there. Huh, alright. That's crazy, alright. My gosh. There's nothing right now. There is literally nothing right now going on. So, yeah. Nothing. I'll come back to you guys when there's actually something I can do. I'll just keep rushing things, and I'll be back with you guys. I don't know what happened. I was rushing things, and now it was like you failed, and then the fire started happening in this room, and then they got up, and then they sat back down, and it said that I was okay. I don't understand what happened there. What is this? We got a lunchbox. Anyone want to go open a lunchbox? Let's go open this. Unlock here. Water. That's a robe. That's a globe. I don't know what that's gonna do. That's a bunch of caps. That's more caps. So many caps. Okay, this guy right here. Look at this guy and his perfect mustache. Jesse Baker. This guy is a legend. Jesse Baker, legend. We give him clothes. He looks like something from Assassin's Creed, but that's okay. Rush it, cause why not? Watch me fail. Here, this is what happened, guys. Just look it. See, except for last time when we had it in the cookery and stuff, they just stood there instead of like moving or doing anything. They just stood up, and then it said I was okay. I mean, if you got magical feet, then I guess you can just like magically do everything in this town. As I'm back. So I figured out that if you build another say I wanted a bigger thing that could hold more people for diner and stuff. All I have to do is I have to build another diner next to it, and it counts as one big diner. So I did this with the power generator. And then you can upgrade them by pressing like this arrow right here. See, I don't have enough caps anymore because I spent a lot of caps, but I mean, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty neat. I want to say, and look, I got 76% happiness. That is bulging for some reason. This is weird. Alright, there you go. It stopped. This is weird. Alright, no. There is nothing going on right now. Destroy rocks to expand your vault. That would be really useful if I had to destroy rocks that were in my way. But I don't, because I'm Mr. Pillow and everything with me is nice. See, there you go. Upgraded this. It just looks different. Nothing much changed. I know I can equip items and things. Wait a minute, what is this? Level? I believe most games I mean level up. Yeah, level 2. Level 2. There you go. I got another lunch pail. Let's open this lunch pail. Caps. Shotgun. Power. Longer donger. I don't even know what that said. I'm gonna give the beautiful guy with his beautiful mustache the rusty lever action shotgun. I equipped it weapon, I get money. Let's see if I can rush it just to see what the shotgun does. He's not doing much so far. Oh, it's a success! Ha! That's funny because I was actually aiming towards a failure. Come on, failure. Come on, you have to give me fail. Please. This is terrible. This is making me a little bit mad. Please, Anna, Jesse, just destroy something. That was 57% chance of destroying. One more time. We gotta keep rushing. 63. Come on, please, fail, so I can see what your shotgun does. Yes! Yes. Oh, it's a fire, so we don't even get to see what his shotgun is. Intruders can come in instead of like fires and stuff. So can rad roaches and all that sort of stuff, because that's when they would use their weapons. Either that or if you send them out on on a, you know, on like a quest or anything, but you get into that later on in the game. We got this girl here. We got to have her work down here. There you go. The vault is full. Build more headquarters. Alright, so it looks like you need to build living quarters to be able to hold people. There's another one there. Now can she go work down here? There you go. There you go. These two are like flirting or whatever. But, yeah, that's them flirting, I guess. Rush this. Let's see if we can actually get him to do something interesting. 73%. Come on. Rad roaches. Anything. Rad roaches, please. Just by fire. This is the one time that I would be happy to get a rad roach invasion. And I don't get it. That's just... how the world is being mean to me today. The world is being very mean. Is it seriously? No, it's still going on. I don't use the computer audio because it overrides my voice, but if you could hear it, anytime this happens, it sounds an alarm. And it is so annoying. We got this guy. He looks pretty... he looks like a young gentleman that wants to go work in a power factory. So yeah. He's gonna go work there. Everybody's seeming to be nice. Let's check on this couple. Boy, that hair right there reminds me of Little Pump's hair. If you don't know what Little Pump is, sorry, his hair didn't remind me of Little Pump. It reminded me of Little Uzi Vert. See that hair right there? It's just that like that dirty little kind of hair. It's weird. I don't like that hair. I don't at all. But we're back into here now. I don't know what this dude's doing. He's just like just deciding not to work. Come on! I assigned you to that part. What are they doing? Are their hands asleep? Is that their problem? Is that their problem? What kind of a dance is this? Her foot is clutching through the floor. The game doesn't even know what it's doing. Let's see what's going on. Waiting. There's someone waiting. Jeremy Ford. Alright. Let's go and let's check out Jeremy Ford. Let's see where he is. What's up, Mr. Jeremy? He looks like this guy should still be in college. Let's see. 1P, 1S. There you go. We want 3S. That looks better. Anyway, guys, I will continue later with more. And when we come back, we'll have to see and see if these guys are okay and see what's going on.